What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to install Google Gemini here into your Windows 11 laptop. It's quite an easy process in here, and hey, honestly this also works for Windows 10 or any other Windows software version that you maybe have. So if you find some value out of my content, do not forget to subscribe at the end of the video as it really helps me out. So first things first, we're going to hop into google.com. okay, this can be done from any search engine. In my case, I'm already on Google. There we go, google.com. And next up, you're going to search for Google Gemini. Okay, there we go, Gemini. I've tapped it wrong. Next up, you want to hop into this first website, which is gemini.google.com. It will show at the very first search result. Next up, you just need to wait for a couple of seconds. It's loading, and there we go, we're already in here. Now you need to ensure that you're logged in into your Google account. In my case, I'm already logged in here into Google Chrome, as you can see at the top right corner. And then in case you haven't logged in yet, it's gonna ask you to log in. You can log in into your Gmail account and you're good to go. So once you're here, the next thing we're gonna do is simply move into the top right corner where you do have these three dots. Tap once on the three dots, and once we've tapped on the three dots, we're gonna scroll down here all the way to more tools. In my case, since I have a much recent Google Chrome version, it's no longer located here within more tools, but in most cases it's located here on more tools. But if you're unable to find here the option to install on more tools, you can go all the way to cost, save, and share, and you'll be able to see an option which says install page as an app. Okay, so try more tools to see install as an app, or cost, save, and share, and then install pages as an app. I'm going to tap in here on install page as an app and then install. And there we go, it's now installing here into your device and you're good to go. We now have Google Gemini here installed into my device. As you can see, it's here, and I'm going to pin this, for example, here into my taskbar by simply tapping on pin to start. Nope, it should be pin to taskbar. Let me just really open it quick, and then right click in here and then simply tap on pin to taskbar and you're good to go. You've already pinned Gemini, and you can now launch it whenever you wish to open it. It's closed, simply open it up and you're good to go. So this is how easy you can actually install Google Gemini into your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.